Come and take a look. The more blocked this area becomes, the bigger this area tends to get. This area is the sole of our feet. Many people believe that, as they get older, their belly gets bigger simply because they eat too much and exercise too little. But actually, that's not the real reason. The root cause is that the switches in this area haven't been activated. There are 33 switches on the soles of our feet. Once this area becomes congested, circulation throughout the body becomes less efficient, and gradually, fat starts accumulating right here. So today, I'm going to teach you a great way to reduce belly fat, especially for middle-aged and older adults, particularly those whose arms and legs aren't very fat, but whose belly is unusually large. If that's your body type, meeting me today may just be the last stop on your journey to losing belly fat. This exercise doesn't require you to run or jump outside. You don't have to diet or eat special fat loss meals either. All you need to do is practice this movement at home for just 10 minutes a day. The results can be even better than jogging for an hour, so don't tell me you don't want to learn it. Before I became a coach, I weighed 180 pounds. Using this method, I successfully slimmed down to 135 pounds, and to this day, I haven't gained the weight back. I'm already 40 years old, yet many people can't believe it. During that entire process, I never went on strict diets or ate special fat loss meals because I worried about nutritional imbalance. I also avoided high-impact exercises like running and jumping because my body weight back then was simply too heavy. I didn't want to risk injury. That would have done more harm than good. But one thing I did do was stay consistent. Every single day, I practiced this movement for 10 minutes. So what exactly is this method? It's called the foot-sole core activation method. Over all my years of teaching, this has been one of the simplest, most practical techniques I've ever used. It helps stimulate the soles of the feet, while also being one of the fastest and most effective ways to reduce belly fat. Over the years, I've used this method to help hundreds of middle-aged and older adults in our community successfully get rid of their stubborn belly fat. So next, I'm going to share this method with you completely. After you've learned it, remember to save this video. And if you know someone else who wants to learn, share this video with them and invite them to exercise together. Alright, first, we need to prepare a foot massage roller like this one. It's used to assist with the exercise. Once it's ready, place it directly under the soles of your feet. Then, step onto it with both feet and roll it back and forth. Allow the rollers to massage your entire foot. After doing this for a little while, you'll notice a gentle warmth developing in the soles of your feet. That's a sign that the circulation is beginning to open up. Once circulation improves, 3 major benefits will follow. The first benefit is improved circulation through the soles of the feet. As circulation increases, the soreness, fatigue, and heaviness that build up in your feet throughout the day gradually begin to disappear. Naturally, your whole body starts feeling lighter, more comfortable, and more relaxed. The second benefit. Take a closer look at this massage roller. You'll notice many raised pressure points on each wheel. These bumps fit closely against the soles of the feet and stimulate them effectively. They help activate 66 reflex zones in the feet. For older adults who experience leg weakness or difficulty walking, this can be especially helpful. The third benefit comes once circulation has been fully restored. Your legs will begin to feel a pleasant stretching sensation. Your calves, thighs, and even your abdomen will gradually relax. So you see, middle-aged and older adults don't need complicated routines. Just practice this one movement every day. It's safe, efficient, and practical. That's exactly the kind of exercise that suits older adults best. Whether you're sitting at home watching TV, using your phone, or soaking your feet before bedtime, you can simply take out this massage roller, step on it, and give your feet a gentle massage. Stick with it for a period of time, and then take another look at your belly. I believe you'll come back and thank me. Finally, I want to remind everyone to choose a good quality massage roller. Look for one with 12 rollers, made from quality materials, and free from unpleasant odors. If you know friends who want one too, share this video with them. Tell them to tap on the profile in this video and enter the live room, where someone will guide them through choosing and using it correctly. And right now, the manufacturer is running a special promotion, making it a really great deal.